Alright YouTube, how's it going now there? And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be splitting the walnut wood with my axe, the old Ono, the old service, the old machete, whatever it is. And you know the other words. We all know there's several other words that I'm not really going to get into. I'm afraid to say them on YouTube. Nobody will know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? There's children watching. So, what we're doing today is I'm gonna split some of these walnut wood rounds. I'm probably gonna do that weird one over there, and I'm gonna do that one that had a cable in it here coming up next. So check it out. I'm gonna see if I can't split that into some decent sized firewood, and then maybe one of these other normal rounds here, and give it a little go with the axe today now. Alright, one more thing. I started breaking this wood open with that piece of cable in it using my my axe here, and it is breaking, but it's got a bunch of knots in it and crap, so there's that cable running through there. At least I'm taking some weight out of it. Might be able to pick it up and get it on the splitter if I need to now. It's kind of nasty right there. There we go. Oh man, that's got a big old bolt in it. I don't know if you can see this, but that bolt goes all the way through there. That's a big bolt. Man, that's a big one they put in there. May be about all I get done on that puppy. That's nasty. Big old branch there, branch over here, big bolts coming through. That bolt holds it together too. Great. Right in that hole. There we go. I might be able to break this in half right here. Use my superhuman strength. All right. So there's your bolt. And I'll probably put that on the log splitter. No sense in messing with it. I got it broken down pretty good there now. All right. Alright, let's see. As I was saying in the other video, the grain on this wood runs right up here. So I'm going to see if I can't knock this side off and make a piece of wood out of it. And then I can make a few blocks out of this and then see what's left out of this side here. And I know you probably can't see it. I tried to get it where you can see it, but I got to be able to stand and hit this thing too now. Okay, that didn't work quite as planned. The log splitter does a better job of this than the axe. But anyways, that's a chunk of firewood. I would burn that. Not a problem, it will burn. So we got a little bit of wood out of it. I mean, that's not a bad chunk of firewood. I burn all kinds of stuff like that, and I could even sell that. But you can see what we're left with. The principle was right, but the axe is harder to do it because it just breaks. It just broke up in 2 or 3 pieces. The log splitter will cut it real smooth like a knife. But that's what should have happened with the log splitter. I should have got one long piece off of here. It didn't work with the axe. So anyways, I'll make a couple pieces out of this wider side, and that'll be some good wood. There's nothing wrong with that now. Nice piece of firewood. Oh, that might have just hit my chainsaw. I don't know what that hit, but it went flying pretty good. I hope that didn't hurt my chainsaw. All right. Sometimes they're harder than they look. This one's got a bunch of twisted grain in it. Okay. Anyways, it's a little bit short, but it's just firewood now. We're not going to the moon, it's just firewood. So this piece has a branch going through it right there. All right, that's not a bad piece of wood. All right, we'll do one more. This piece here, it's already starting to show some cracks running right along here. See if I can't break it in half real easy. This walnut splits pretty good. It's not a real hard wood, it's more of a decorative wood. Smells pretty good, it's got a unique smell to it. All right, a few more pieces here. And the rest of this I'll get with the log splitter another time, I think. Okay, now everybody, thanks for watching. Just wanted to do a little bit of splitting with the axe today on that walnut wood. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to bring the log splitter around and do the rest of this on the log splitter another day. My truck's full of wood. Can't fit it in the truck, so I'll just have to come back and load it up and get it out of here another time. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next one. All right. I'm signing off. Signing off for real now. Oh, and what did she do? She found the chunk in the wall there is what she wants now. Maddie.